Hi, today I'm for the Motorola E32s and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So just to log out from Gmail account in Gmail app, we should first log out from Google account on our device, and to do that, just tap on the right upper corner and go to manage accounts on this device. Then click to your account and click remove account. After that, confirm your action by tap to remove account again, tap click OK, verify if it's you, if you got some protect methods on your device. Now on Google account settings, we have no any logged in account, so let's go back to the Gmail app, and here in the application we can also see that we just successfully logged out from the Gmail account. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.